Hi, welcome you all to Unacademy platform. Here in this particular session, I discuss current affairs topic for your upcoming government exams. Let it be SSC exams or RRB exams all. So the monthly current affairs, earlier I have taken a YouTube class of 1 hour and all. So this is a continuation of that. So the monthly full current affairs will be discussed, completed in this particular schedule. So current affairs, June month current affairs, my name is Bibin Kunjumon, this is my referral code. So when you are subscribing to Unacademy Plus classes, you can use this, you will get a reduction, I will also get benefited with this. Fine. So this is me, enough experience I have in guiding students in all these exams. So I am part of one of the government service also in a state service. So shall we start? So at the starting I have listed some topics. Once we cover the topics, we will look into MCQs. So whenever we do MCQs, you have most of the job. I will be just a facilitator. So here I need to discuss things for you. Denmark Science ISA-FA. ISA-FA. What is ISA-FA? ISA-FA is International Solar Alliance ISA Framework Agreement. So ISA-FA, International Solar Alliance Framework Agreement. So Denmark has become the first country to ratify ISA agreement after amendments in the ISA-FA entered into force on January 8, 2021. In 2016, this ISA framework, International Solar Alliance framework, was opened for signature in Marrakesh, Morocco. So for you, exam, what is important is when it was opened for signature, when it is concluded, when it is came into force, January 8, 2021. So Denmark became the first country to ratify this ISA framework agreement. So what is this International Solar Alliance? So there is a word called international in that. There is a word called alliance in that. There is a word called solar in that. So in the global scale, in the world scale, an alliance, a team of countries came together and joined a common platform, alliance. So international level it is there. So International Solar Alliance, so wherever this sun is there, wherever the vertical solar insolation moves, so these all portions comes under the International Solar Alliance. Clear? So ISA is an alliance of 121 countries between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. We know 23.5 degree northeast Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree southeast Tropic of Capricorn. Between these countries, those countries are known as sunshine countries. So shining of the sun is comparatively higher there or vertical there. So when the sun moves from towards north or towards south, it reaches only these points, the maximum, then it comes back to the equator. So these countries have a solar potential. That's why India and France came with the idea of this kind of a groupings. Those countries will give more emphasis on renewable energy, solar renewable energy related activities. Now an ambitious plan of China is written here. Okay, read it. What is that plan? What is the plan? China plans first manned Mars mission in 2033. First Mars mission 2033. When India tried its MUM mission, Mars orbiter mission successfully, even before China, India got succeeded in the Mars mission. Here China is planning another manned mission in the sense, so like in 1969, USA believed to be sent their astronaut to the moon. Similarly, China is planning a person to be sent to Mars by 2033, an ambitious one. So manned Mars mission will be launched with regular follow-up flights, etc. You can leave it. So the ambitious plan will intensify race with the US. So internationally important thing. The plan was disclosed after China landed its robotic rover on the Mars, May 2021. So last month China launched its rover. It's a robotic rover. So lander and rover on the Mars. So that's why China is planning to send a man there after successful studies of that. So West Bengal again came to the news, not because of Mamata, but because of Mamata's Mamata towards the children, towards the educated groups, towards the students. West Bengal approves a credit card scheme. What is this credit card scheme? Student credit card scheme. West Bengal approves student credit card scheme. This scheme will be implemented and launched on June 30, 2021. So students credit card scheme will be implemented from today onwards, June 30, 2021. So what is this credit card? See, we know that in life stages we all might have encountered a problem of how we will finance our education, higher studies. Whenever we approach the bank say, okay, you come, okay, I will give you loan. First you bring with your assets. So many times it happens. You comes with the assets, either security as your father, security as your mother, or your property, house property, etc. Then you pay interest also. Then we ask the bank manager, sir, how much is the interest? You pay interest rate that's higher than the car loan, that's higher than the house loan. So car loan and house loans they provide below 10%, but educational loans these banks are providing around 14%. So why is it like that? So we all faced that problem. Some of you might have faced that problem in your career. So the West Bengal government came with a very attractive scheme. By that a soft loan will be given to the students of West Bengal. Up to 10 lakhs you can take the credit for enrolling in the higher studies. Loan will be given for higher studies in India as well as abroad. It is not that only for the Indian education I will give you money. No, not at all. For abroad studies also, higher studies money will be given. And the most attractive thing, the loan will be given 4% interest rate, Baba, 4%. And who is your security? State government would act as the guarantor. So that that amount lies on my head. Me, the CM, me, the state is your protector. Anyone who has spent 10 years in the West Bengal can avail this loan benefit under this scheme. Loan will be available for undergraduate, postgraduate, doctoral, postdoctoral studies, but you should have age less than 40. That's it. Clear? So for educated groups, West Bengal is a good place now. PM Modi asked to focus on toy economy. Toy economy. Toy economy means what? Toy plus economy is toy economy. So what we are doing there? Prime Minister Modi asking to focus on this. So what is this? What is this? So toy industry. So in the opinion of the Prime Minister, toy industry's global market is around $100 billion. Around $100 billion. In that, India's contribution is hardly $1.5 billion. So India imports 80% of its toys from foreign countries, and we know wherever, in whichever shops we look, we see Chinese product there. Why? Because that is very sophisticated, technology advanced, cheaper, very cheaper, way cheaper than Japanese and the American product. So almost all markets in the world are flooded with the Chinese toys. What more to say, the pataka is there, no, the cracker that once upon a time we used to make in our own home neighborhood. So this pataka itself we actually import from China. Chinese pataka is there. So Prime Minister now asking the people to give more importance to toys, not just the toys, toy and game industry you should give importance. Together he called it as toy economy. Clear? Next one, World Bank sanctions fund for Andhra's SALT program. SALT program internationally, when you mention, this is a treaty between USA and Russia, but it is related with the Andhra's SALT program. So what is this SALT program, Andhra Pradesh? It is supporting Andhra's learning transformation. Supporting Andhra's learning transformation. For that, World Bank, the question could be asked, which international institution lent money to Andhra for this their educational related activities, supporting Andhra's learning transformation. So e-learning needs to be improved there. For that, Andhra Pradesh is supported by World Bank. Around 1860 crore is given to Andhra for SALT program, to transforming government schools into a vibrant competitive institution. Many states like Kerala already idealized these concepts of making government schools better than the private school. Now, Warren Buffett, you might have heard this name sometimes in the history. He also became the richest person in the Forbes magazine's listing, but now he is not. Now he is just the 7th wealthiest person, just 7th across the world. You should think about that. So he has a net worth of $100 billion. Do you have any idea of how many zeros are there in that? So 100 plus 9 zeros are there. That much dollar is there with him. Now, why is in news now? We heard that Bill Gates and his wife recently got divorced. There was a charity foundation that's known as Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. So Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. For that, Warren Buffett was also a contributor. Now he felt that why should I help them? Okay, anyway that foundation is going in their name. So now he backed out from that. So he is no more a contributor towards that. Next one, Kerala's Kaval Plus program. Kerala state government has introduced a new program. What is it? Read the points. Done. Kerala's Kaval Plus program. So Department of Women Child Development in Kerala decided to expand this program to other districts. What is it? To lending holistic support to children in need of care and protection. So children are there in need of care and protection. Sometimes they may get abused by their parents itself, father itself, mother itself, their own caretakers. So the state needs to step into that sphere and protect them. So care of the children and survivors of the sexual abuse needs to be protected. For that, Kaval Plus program is brought by Kerala government. Fine. So answer this question. Now the job is yours. Some questions we will see. Answer it. You will get 30-40 seconds per question. Fine. Which type of mummy was discovered for the first time in the Warsaw Mummy Project? So Warsaw Mummy Project, it's a very old mummy project. In 1930s itself it started, and the answer is pregnant mummy. So this is the picture. You could see the archaeologists have identified the only known example of pregnant mummy that they have excavated from Egypt. Next question. Done. The Benin bronzes are a group of sculptures originally found in which present day country? See, each country may have their own unique culture, their own unique artistic work. So here the Benin bronzes are a group of sculpture, okay, statues originally found in Nigeria. Why it's in news? Benin bronze, Germany recently decided to give back these Benin bronzes to Nigeria because they only had that casting technology in ancient time. So these were looted once upon a time by the forces who spent their time there. British troops looted thousands of artwork known as the Benin bronzes from the Kingdom of Benin. That means present day Nigeria, the then Kingdom of Benin, in 1897. So now it's in the European Museum. That's why they have decided to give it back. Next question. Which company has built the world's biggest airplane ever, named Rock? So which company has built the world's biggest aeroplane? World's biggest. What's its name? World's biggest aeroplane name is Rock, ROC. Which company built that? The answer is D, Stratolaunch. Stratolaunch, American aerospace company, biggest aeroplane ever. Okay, next one. Answer it. You have 60 seconds. Done. Xylophis deepaki, a new species of snake, is endemic to which state? Endemic means what? Endemic means that's only seen in that locality. You cannot observe the same species in any other part of the world. The answer is Tamil Nadu. So observe the name Xylophis deepaki. What is this? It's a new species of snake. So this new species of snake named to honor Indian herpetologist. So the one who study about the snake, herpetologist, Deepak Veerappan. So in the memory of him, Deepak Veerappan, they named it as Xylophia deepaki. It's a kind of wood snake. Answer this. Done. Ravi Shankar has been appointed as what? Ravi Shankar appointed as the Deputy Governor of RBI. So the new Deputy Governor of RBI. Try this one. April-May month, this question had a significance. Now its significance changed. Okay. Who has been appointed as the acting chairperson of the National Human Rights Commission, NHRC? So it's not related with the NHRC chairperson. If the question asked who is a present chairperson of NHRC, June month, the answer is it is Arun Misra. है the former Supreme Court Judge Arun Misra appointed as the chairperson. Earlier an acting person appointed, the answer is PC Pant. So April 25, he appointed as the acting chairperson, PC Pant. Answer this one. Done. What is the name of the operation launched by the Indian Armed Force to tackle COVID-19 pandemic? So in order to tackle the COVID-19 pandemic, Indian Army launched a program, an operation called Kojit. So Kojit, cooperated and we will win this war. Try this one. So Nehru Zoological Park, where Asiatic lion were tested COVID positive for the first time. Or simply the question is, in which state this Nehru Zoological Park located? It's in Telangana. Fine. So 8 Asiatic lion is there in Hyderabad. Nehru Zoological Park tested positive for COVID-19. Done. What is WinCov-19? What is WinCov-19? So WinCov. So what is it? Is it a mutated corona virus? Is it a COVID vaccine candidate? Is it an oxygen support mechanism? Is it engineered antibody product? The answer is D. It is an engineered antibody product. This has obtained the approval of DGCI. So it's developed by CSIR and CCMB. So WinCov-19 is an engineered therapeutic antibody which has been found effective to neutralize SARS-CoV-19. So it's an antibody. Therapeutic means you can cure this corona problem. Next one. Done. So what is the primary objective of Pradhana Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana? Pradhana Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana. Manrega, providing free food grains, crop insurance, final assistance to farmers. B, providing free food grains is the program. So you can see here May 5th Cabinet approved disbursal of food grain continuously for 2 more months. So the poorest sections are getting a lot of help under this particular scheme. COVID-19 situation made many people poor. Which organization is associated with waiving intellectual property protection for COVID-19 vaccines? So which organization is associated with waiving intellectual property protection for COVID-19 vaccines? WHO, UNICEF, WTO, FAO. Waiving intellectual property. Done? Any idea about it? So whatever the intellectual property related, you need to link that with the TRIPS. Trade related aspects of intellectual property rights, that's come under WTO always. So never get mistaken by COVID-19 etc etc. It's intellectual property. The WTO only has the right for that. Try this one. Done. In which of India's neighboring countries military has taken control? We all know Myanmar only it happened. Myanmar military recently took over the control by toppling the democratically elected government there. Try this one. Which technology company has launched a new initiative called Startup School? Startup School, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Apple. Amazon and Apple won't start. The answer is Google. So Google only started this Startup School activity. It's an Asia Pacific region's activity, not just in India. Why this Startup School activity? It is for training, imparting skills to the people in a particular country. Try this one. You have 40 seconds. Done. Pattachitra, that was in news, is popular art of which state? Andhra, Kerala, Odisha, Jammu and Kashmir. Odisha is an answer. Odisha is the answer. So it's very important thing. See, Pattachitra is a cloth based painting. It's very unique and it's traditional, and it's from time immemorial they are practicing this method there. Patta means cloth, chitra means painting. So Pattachitra is associated with the Odisha. Why it was in news? PM Modi in his Mann Ki Baat program, he has made mention about a student who is practicing this Pattachitra during COVID-19 activity. So again some topics are there to discuss. So try to read this Nishtha, the capacity building program. Go through that points first. I will explain it. Done. NISTA, the capacity building program. I believe you have understood. There is nothing much to explain. So a training program. Okay. Training program. Next one, IPDS integrated power development scheme. So power sector needs to be revamped. So Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, that's going on in our country now. As part of that, a solar rooftop program also inaugurated. So that's what this news. So this is important for the exam purpose. Project Seabird. Project Seabird is a naval infrastructure project. Project Seabird is a naval infrastructure project. Project Seabird is naval infrastructure project. What is it? Construction of a naval base. Where? Karwar, Karnataka. Why the construction of naval base is of such a great importance? Is it such a unique thing to do? Is it that much special? Yes, it is that much special. It is a naval infrastructure project that's starting in the western coast of India, Karwar, Karnataka, and it is a $3 billion program that will provide the Indian Navy its largest naval base. As of now, the largest naval base and the training center is in Kannur in Kerala. So here another largest naval base is going to come on the west coast, and not only for India, the largest naval base in the east of the Suez Canal. Suez Canal is there in Egypt. In the east of that, this will be the largest naval canal, not the Hambantota of Sri Lanka. Fine. So not any of the Pakistan's or Iran's one. It is going to be India's the biggest naval base. Okay, again questions. Try to answer it. 30 seconds. Done. Which of the following is the welfare program launched in Odisha for the journalists due to COVID-19 or the journalists suffering from COVID-19? It is Gopa Bandhu Sambandhiga Swasthi Bima Yojana. Next one. Easy question. 10 seconds. Done. First city in India to launch a drive-in vaccination center. So drive-in vaccination center, the vaccines will drive towards the customers. So it is in Mumbai, Delhi, Kochi, Chennai, Mumbai. So drive-in vaccination center started in Mumbai. Easy one. 15 seconds. Author of the book, Essays on. Author of the book, Essays on Srimada Sankara Deva. So who among these? Ram Roy Mohan, Anirudh Mukherjee, Siddhartha Roy, Sanjeev Kumar. So the answer is A, Sanjeev Kumar. Sri Madha Sankara Deva, essay on him. Next one. Try it. 20 seconds. Read carefully and answer. Done. Bank, which was recently appointed as the digital payment partner of National Agriculture Market. Digital payment partner of National Agriculture Market, SBI, HDFC, RRB, Kotak Mahindra Bank. So digital payment partner, National Agriculture Market. The answer is D. You can see the main information. Kotak Mahindra became the digital partner of eNAM. eNAM means what? Electronic National Agricultural Market. So when these mandis and all trying to sell it online, they need a banking partner. The Kotak has signed an agreement for that. Try this 15 seconds. Recently appointed director of Indian Institute of Rice Research. Indian Institute of Rice Research director. So the answer Raman Meenakshi Sundaram. So where is this headquarters of ICAR? It's located in Hyderabad, Telangana. Try this one. Done. Remote sensing satellite, which was recently launched successfully by China. Yaogan 34, Tianmar 33, Xinhua Shano. A is the answer. So China has successfully launched Yaogan 33 also, 34 also remote sensing satellites. Try this. World's largest aircraft, which successfully completed its test flight recently. So today's class will I have asked you that A. Stratolaunch Rock. Try this one. So state which recently launched web portal for the supply of medical oxygen to COVID patients who are in home isolation. So the answer is very funny. Delhi is the one came with this kind of an idea, but we know that Delhi many people died in hospital beds in front of hospitals without getting oxygen. There they are actually mocking the people by saying home isolation people will be given oxygen. I don't know. Maybe it's newspaper gimmick. Try this one. Recently appointed CMD. Recently appointed CMD. MD means you can just read it as MD. Additional charge of Tehri Dam. Don't study this question, but you can just go through it. Answer is B. Vijay Goyal is the answer. Try this one. So species names related questions, favorite, very favorite for many of the exams, central exams. Recently discovered plant species from Kerala, which was named after Sanadhana Dharma College, Alappuzha. So Sanadhana Dharma College, Alappuzha in Kerala. So in its name, a plant species named. The answer is Philanga Sanadhana Dharma. Similarly, in another district of Kerala, Kasaragod, another temple was named after a species that is known as Lepidagathis Ananda Puramensis. Okay, so both of the species, try to remember it. Try this one. Recently demised Kerala's first plastic surgeon who successfully did sex correction surgery. So two words are there. One is Kerala's first plastic surgeon. Second one, who successfully did sex correction surgery. The answer is P.A. Thomas. So P.A. Thomas, first plastic surgeon in Kerala, and he also done a sex correction surgery for an athlete. So that's important. That athlete name also you should know. For Radha Krishnan, he done sex correction surgery. At that time it was very much a controversial topic. Try this one, 30 seconds. Chief Justice of Jammu and Kashmir, who was recently awarded, former Chief Justice of Jammu and Kashmir, who was recently awarded Airline Path to Global Vision Award 2021, instituted by International Association of Women Judges. So Geeta Mittal is the answer. She is the first Indian judge to get such a recognition. So that's not a simple thing. Not the first woman, the first Indian judge to get such an award. Fine. So Airline Path Global Vision Award, International Association of Women Judges awarding that. Okay, try this one. Former Union Minister and the Chief of Rashtriya Lok Dal Party, who passed away recently. Ajit Singh, Shankar Tripathi, Jayant Chaudhary, Vishwantu Kumar. You know Ajit Singh, due to COVID-19 issues, he also expired. There are some good with the COVID-19 also. I'm just kidding. Fine. So he was a very important political person in India's political arena. So Indian gymnast who was recently qualified to Tokyo Olympics 2021. The Indian gymnast who was recently qualified to Tokyo Olympics 2021. Haripriya Dev, Pranati Nayak, Deepa Karmakar, Geeta Bhogat. These all are Indian gymnasts. The answer is B, Pranati Nayak. So Tokyo Olympics next July month it's going to be held. Depends upon that. She will be also participating in it. Try this. Author of the book The Bench. So it was a controversial book publishing. That's why I have included it here. The answer is Meghan Markle. So Meghan Markle, the Duchess of Sussex only brought this book Bench. This is a story related with their family activities. Fine. Try this one. Done. Author of the book The Bengal 2021, An Election Diary. Roy Tomlinson, Deep Halder, Ranjit Shankar, Yakub Menon. So what is it related with? It is related with this last May month election is there, no? There. It is related with that. So Deep Halder came with the book The Bengal Election Diary. The competition between Mamata and Modi there happened, he explained in that book. This one is an important piece for our exam science portion. Recently developed lightest uranium isotope. Answer is uranium 214. So when you found uranium isotope came up, that's known as 214. Try this one. Small form accounting application launched by SBI in association with the Shivrai Technologies for farmers. So in order to help farmers, a small form accounting platform, accounting application brought by SBI. So which one is it? The answer is Farmizo Khata. So Farmizo Khata for helping farmers. It's a small accounting app. Who brought SBI? So these all are questions. Farmizo Khata is a question, SBI is a question, what is its purpose is a question, for whom it is a question. Try this one. So newly created post in Maharashtra hospital to monitor the use of medical oxygen among the patients and ensure minimal wastage. Okay, so minimal wastage of oxygen needs to be ensured. Oxygen nurse post created in Maharashtra. Try this one. Done. African country which was recently announced Ebola free WHO, Congo. Try this one. Take 40 seconds. Read carefully, understand and answer. Done. So the international badminton player recently appointed as athlete ambassadors by Badminton World Federation for International Olympic Committee's Believe in Sports campaign. So what it is? So many times we know that there were malpractices reported in the sports activities. So this particular campaign launched by them in order to bring more belief of the people into this game. So the PV Sindhu and Michelle Lee is the answer here. So newspaper content you can see, Believe in Sport campaign. The question could be asked, what campaign started by them? Believe in Sports. Who started this campaign could be asked. It is International Sports Federation. Who are the global ambassadors of that? PV Sindhu and Michelle Lee. Try this one. Done. Country which recently announced emergency due to internal violence. It is Congo. Try this one. Done. So country to host G7 Foreign Ministers Meeting 2021. UK, Germany, France, Italy. So it was in UK. So UK hosted this particular meeting. G7, 7 countries participated. India also virtually participated in this. Modi gave a elaborate speech also in that. Done. Title winner of new in chess classic rapid online championship. Definitely it is Magnus Carlsen. So you can see he wins new in chess classic. So it's a name of the game, new in chess classic. Try this one. The social media platform that partnered with the Indian government to roll out vaccine finder tool. So anyway, you know the Twitter want to partner with the state central government. They have a Bahu mother-in-law problem. The answer is Facebook. They are apna friends. Okay, so a vaccine finder tool introduced by the Facebook in their app. Try this one. The country to host G20 Tourism Ministers Meeting 2021. G20 Tourism Ministers Meeting 2021. Russia, Italy, USA, France. Russia, Italy, USA, France. G20 Tourism Ministers Meeting. Definitely it won't be Russia. Italy is the answer. So Italy done it through virtual mode. This tourism ministers meet. Try this one. Theme of World Hand Hygiene Day, May 5, 2021. So the first question possible is when is World Hand Hygiene Day? May 5. Second one, what was the theme this year? Second, save lives, clean your hands properly, guys. So second, save lives, clean your hands properly. Next one. Theme of World Asthma Day. First question is, when is World Asthma Day observed? It is May 4. Second day is the theme of this year. Uncovering asthma misconception, discovering possibilities of tackle asthma. So B is the answer. So asthma myth needs to be uncovered. Try this one. The renowned freedom fighter and the last personal secretary of Mahatma Gandhi passed away recently. So in Chennai, nothing else. Last PA of Mahatma Ji died recently in Chennai. So V Kalyanam T Sundaram. So V Kalyanam is the answer. Try this one. New feature launched by the Truecaller app for Indian citizens looking for assistance due to COVID-19 in India. So COVID-19 issues are there now. So for Indian citizens for assisting, they have actually brought vaccine booking, cashback offer, insurance, what it is. So COVID hospital diary is the answer. So in what all hospitals you have a free beds and all will be shown in the Truecaller app. So the famous online grocery market acquired recently by Tata Digital, a subsidiary of Tata Sons. Fresh to Home, Flipkart, Reliance. So Big Basket is the answer. Try this one. The first Indian woman to be appointed as the board member of Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center, New York, USA. So in a very famous cancer center in the USA, an Indian American became board of member. It's a very important thing. So Janaki Raman, Kiran Mazumdar Shaw, madam. So Kiran Mazumdar Shaw is the answer. Fine. So she became a member of this international organization. Drug developed by Central Council for Research in Ayurvedic Science for treating moderate COVID-19 cases. So in order to treat moderate COVID-19 cases, so a drug developed by the Ayurveda. What's its name? Ayush 64 is the name. Ayush 64. Fine. So it's distributed in Delhi also for treating mild COVID-19 situations. So serious one cannot be treated by them. So the recently reappointed MD and CEO of Axis Bank, Ranjan Sharma, Vikram Seth, Amit Chowdhury, Chandrasena, Amit Chowdhury, C is the answer. So he appointed as a MD of the Axis Bank. Try this one. Recently appointed chairman of automobile company Bajaj Auto. Neeraj Bajaj, Rahul Bajaj, Sanjeev Bajaj, Shekhar Bajaj. Neeraj Bajaj appointed as the Bajaj Auto chairman. Chairman of Emirates is Rahul Bajaj. Try this one. the first Asian woman to receive Wild Innovation Award 2021 instituted by the Wild Elements Foundation UK. So whoever instituted that, the most important thing is in Asia a woman to receive an innovation award. That's also from India. C is the answer. C is the answer here. Kriti K. Karanth. So she is a very beautiful girl. Kriti Karanth becomes the first Indian woman to get Wild Innovator Award. Okay, for her contribution for this ecology, she got this particular award. First country in the world to allow self-driving cars at low speeds in motorways. So self-driving cars at a low speed in the motorways, first country to allow that. UK, USA, UAE, France. It is the UK has taken such a risk. Try this one. Tech giant which recently donated 135 crore rupee to tackle COVID-19 surge in India. My God. So that much money they gave. Infosys, TCL, Microsoft, Google. So Google is the answer. Google gave around 135 crore to India for tackling this problem. Try this one. Recently appointed brand ambassador of Japanese sports brand ASICS. Anil Kumble, Ravindra Jadeja, Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli. So B is the answer, Ravindra Jadeja. Try this one. Famous Gujarati poet and Padma Shri Award who passed away recently. So it's upon your risk to remember all these names. It's very risky thing. Dudundan Gandhavi is the answer. So last question, try it. The author of the novel Whereabouts. Jhumpa Lahiri, Kushan Singh, Aravind Adiga, Amit Ghosh. So Jhumpa Lahiri is the answer. Whereabouts novel written by her. Fine. So that's it. Thank you guys. Study well for the exams. See, a lot of exams are pending due to this COVID-19 situation. So it will be followed soon. Prepare well and all the best for you all. Fine. Thank you guys.